More on graphing trig function. So what we are going to do is we will try again on graphing with the GDC. So say for example, I was required to graph y equals to sine 2x. Alright, so what we need to do is we get our calculator, switch it on, we go to manual and graph. That is 5. Once you got that, we delete the previous one, and then we have no item, so we have sine x. Before we start, we make sure that it is degree mode. So we have y equals to sine 2x. Alright, you might find it, like if you put it together, it will do the multiply first. Therefore, if it's not multiply to the x, it's the whole sine x, then I will put it outside. So, and then I will draw it. If something gone wrong, you go to V window and set the limit of the max and min here. Alright, now I got a function here, so I will just sketch it here, just copy the question. Alright, it looks like this. Alright, and it's go like this. Don't worry about the shape. As long as the shape is alright, then we'll be fine. Then I might need to find the amplitude. Amplitude is means the frequency there. So amplitude is equals to the max, I'm talking about y, minus minus the minimum of y, and then divided by 2. So what we're going to do is find the maximum here, which g of maximum, I can see is negative 155, 315 and 1. So its maximum is 1. And g of minimum is negative 221 x is and y is negative. So it's minus negative 1 divided by 2. So the amplitude is 1 here. And then I need to find out the period. Period is actually how long does it take to repeat it once. So the whole shape goes like this, and then you go on again and again and again and again. So what we can do is we find out either the distance between the two means, minimum or the maximum. So it's here or here. It actually means the same. So I will go on, and then since I got a minimum here, and I would prefer to have a positive number, so I have one of them is 135 and the other one is 315. So the period will be 315 degree minus 135 degree. So this is the distance between it. So I try to put it with the positive number, and I use the big one minus the small one to save a lot of trouble. So that is and this is 135. So 10. And 180. So the period will be 180 degree. Do remember, you know how to find the amplitude and the period for the exercise.